In this video, we will be discussing filleting solid models. If you'd like to follow along with this video, please open the file filletingsolidmodels.dwg located in the Working Files folder as discussed in the Working with this dataset video. Fillets are often an integral part of finalizing a design. You execute the same fillet command in 3D design as you do in 2D design, but the options and procedures for creating a fillet on a solid model vary from those used in 2D. To fillet, you navigate to the Solid tab, Solid Editing panel, and then we have the fillet command right here. Let's go ahead and click on the command. If you look at the command line window, you're prompted to select an edge. There's also 3 command line options, which we'll discuss in detail in this video. First, there's of course the radius option, which allows you to define a radius. Let's first define a radius of 0.15 and press enter. You are then prompted again to select the edge. Notice that when you select an edge, you actually get a nice little preview. If you press enter, this allows you to preview that edge. You can even change the radius afterwards as well. If I go ahead and type in 0.25, press enter, it will update that radius. Press enter again to complete the actual fillet. Let's run the fillet command again, and this time let's change the radius while in the middle of the command. Let's change our radius to 0.15 and press enter. Notice that if I select this edge here, it'll automatically smooth the transition between the 0.25 and the 0.15. Let's change our radius now to 0.25 and press enter and select a different edge, and now press enter. Notice how it will actually allow you to change radii within the middle of the command. Let's look at another example of this, and let's apply a fillet to our flange over here. We'll go to the fillet command, define a radius of 0.15, press enter, and we'll go ahead and pick each of the edges as it highlights in the file. We'll pick that edge there, and lastly, this edge here. Press enter, you get the nice little preview, press enter again, and there's our fillet. Let's look at the additional options available in the fillet command. Within the fillet command, let's look at the chain option. The chain option allows you to minimize the number of edge segments that you have to select by having all the segments of an edge that are tangent to each other automatically selected. So let's change our radius first to 0.125 and press enter. With the edge chain option on, you can simply select one location and then press enter, and notice how it automatically grabs all the other edges that are tangential to each other. Pretty cool. Lastly, let's look at the loop command. The loop command is used to select all the edges connected to a base surface. Let's go ahead and select the loop option, and we'll rotate our view, and let's go ahead and select this edge here, and then notice how you can choose next to get to the next edge here, which will automatically select the entire face. Let's accept that, and notice how it automatically fillets all the edges on that connected face. Pretty cool way to minimize the picks and clicks.